Either the roosters are being extra aggressive, or maybe some of the hens are picking at her weakness, but I'm getting a saddle for that girl. Her back is horrible looking. Just looks really bad. She's also probably molting. This is Ugly Baby, by the way. This has been my favorite hen. She's been my day one, #1 ace. So there might be some jealousy too, because she does get more attention. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, what? I am showing your business. I am showing your business. That looks pretty bad, baby girl. Oh. Can I see under your feathers? No? Does it feel sensitive? See, it's a weak spot. And I think the roosters are... She hangs out with the roosters a lot too, so I don't know if it's all the way their fault. She's kind of popular. Coincidentally, it just came in the mail. So, I got like a 6-pack, just in case. It's our first time ever having this kind of issue. I'll put in the link below where I got these. Okay, so it snaps and it goes underneath the wing. I guess they do that to secure it. It goes underneath the wing. This is the smaller and that's the larger, and this is just to secure it in place. So I'm hoping that it holds good. The material is pretty thick, and honestly my idea with this is I was just going to use it as a pattern to make my own moving forward. I'm not going to like keep buying something like this, especially when I have a bunch of crown bags. I can make some crown bag saddles for our hens if I need to. I thought that would be funny. Because she is a redneck, literally, I think I'm gonna pick the red color. If she suspects I'm after her for something, she's gonna run. So this will be tricky. I'm gonna try to be able to capture it. She's definitely having some suspicions.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Okay, I did grab her. It's no, stop. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, I just want to make sure it gets on. I just want to make sure it gets on you right. Okay, hang on. Hang on. You might like this comfort, girl. It's okay. Trying to get it off. Let me know if this is normal. This is my first time dealing with one. She's freaking out. Oh, she's embarrassed. Are you serious? seriously hiding under there? She's really mad. You want some snacks? Hmm? Want some? Hey, hey! Oh, she's really mad at me. Oh, Kevin still got her. I'm sure that feels better on her back though. Ugh, maybe she'll forgive me when she realizes it doesn't hurt as bad with that on her back. If looks could kill. Cookie Monster, that's why we call him Cookie Monster, right there. See how hard he just pecks at it. Okay, Blanche. Looks like she thought about coming over here. Are you talking to me now? Silly baby. She's not freaking out anymore. Well, you look cute. It matches. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.